It's really tough to work on beautiful women all day long. It's tough, but someone's got to do it.
Dr. Marc Monti is a well-known Beverly Hills plastic surgeon.
Here at his Beverly Hills offices, top cosmetic surgeon Dr. Marc Monti says these days he's asked more than ever to be more like Dr. Fix-It.
I have found more and more lately that because of the economy, people are trying to cut corners. They're going to surgeons that are less experienced or maybe that aren't certified by the American Board of Plastic Surgery. You can do a lot of research online. You can find out what a surgeon's credentials are. And you also should talk to a previous patient that's been to that surgeon that's happy with them. I love to draw, just, pretty much pencil. But it's something I've done since I was like 3 or 4 years old, I think. Some of the best plastic surgeons are artists. Amanda is a 24-year-old aspiring model actress. How long ago did you have these put in?
2 years ago.
And so what she wants me to do is to push them more towards the middle, give her more cleavage. I'm not really sure where Amanda got the idea that she needed one of her ribs removed. Models definitely have a lot of pressure to be perfect. Well, then I'm not seeing what you're seeing. There are certain standards and fads that plastic surgery can maybe help them achieve. The pressure on me exists to explain to them that perfection may not be possible. Definitely not worth going in and trying to take out an extra rib. I'm gonna make an incision. Anytime you do surgery, you're going to create scar tissue. You do have to make an incision around the areola, so I can't do everything through the armpit like she had it done before. In that sense, I'm very detail-oriented and very perfectionistic. If you're a perfectionist, it just means that if you see an imperfection in something that you don't think is right, it bugs you and you have to fix it.
Amanda, why don't you take your coat off? We need a Polaroid of you.
Definitely feel more confident with my chest now. Definitely think they look better in my outfits now.
I like this. Nice. More cleavage. There you go. Good. There you go. Beautiful.
Let me tell you, having a plastic surgeon for a husband is not a bad thing at all, Dr. Brett Mulligan. So how do you find the right hot single doc? Easy. Check out Extra's list of America's most eligible. He's got a killer sir who drives a sweet car and looks dynamite with his shirt off. But here's the best part. He's Beverly Hills' sexiest and most eligible plastic surgeon.
Hey, Extra. I'm looking for the perfect match.
Dr. Marc Monti serves up a winning resume. A graduate of Harvard with honors, his top secret patient list is a who's who of Hollywood. Now this hot doc, who's also a talented artist, is ready to paint the portrait of true love.
I want someone who has a fire inside, like I think I do.
But don't worry, ladies, Marc won't be eyeing you up and down looking for flaws.
I don't really scrutinize someone. If someone's comfortable in their own body, that's really what I'm looking for.
Particularly a body that looks hot in basic black.
I actually prefer the sexy black dress, but jeans and a t-shirt are fine too. I like someone who's comfortable in both and out of both.
Sounds like the perfect prescription for romance.
I guess you'll no more.
There is a little bit of added pressure when you're operating on someone and your work is going to be on display in national magazines. Stakes are definitely higher. This is sort of the pattern that I use to create the tunnel.
I love them. I love my boobs. If anything, I think it's going to further my career.
Good. Perfect.
Welcome to the world of plastic surgery, before and after. Dr. Marc Monti, a Beverly Hills plastic surgeon.
Here in Susan's case, you see just the beginning of some fine lines. And then in Shirley's case, 20 years later, those fine lines have become deeper, much more marked. A little bit of banding here. We call this platysmal banding.
Well, I don't care for it.
Whatever it is. Looking at Shirley, she is 62 years old. So she has a fair amount of extra skin, particularly in her neck and her lower face.
Yesterday, Susan Morrison's mother had a facelift. Today, it's Susan's turn.
Good morning. On the surface, they're having the same procedure done, the facelift, but they're different types. So that's the nice thing about doing a mini facelift, is that you can actually do something about the neck without making the full formal facelift incision and without taking nearly the same amount of time. It went beautifully.
There you go. Wow.
Very lovely, yes. I love it.
I can't believe it. Let me see you, Susan. Oh, wow.
We still look like us. We just look like better us's.
You look amazing, actually.
Thank you. We had a little help with her from our friend.
Yes, we did.